Welcome back to another episode. This time around, still doing Algebra 1. So what we're doing here, we're solving an equation with two variables, and we're going to show you how to do that. So what you have here is 2x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 2. So what they're saying is, on the left side, I have 2x plus 5. On the right side, I have 3x minus 2. So what's the number here? What can I replace here in for x? What can I choose here for x for this side, for the left side, to be equal to the right side? Let's change color for a minute. So I want the left side, everything on the left side, to be equal to everything on the right side. So they asked me, hey, what do you think I should choose for x to make that the case? All right. So let me erase this for a little bit. And then we're gonna go. So the first thing you want to do is move. So there are two ways to do this. The first thing you want to do is you can move everything that has x on one side and everything that doesn't have x on the other side. You can do it that way. But the way that you're probably most familiar with it is by saying is by subtracting 3x from both sides of the equation, so you can find the answer. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna have 2x plus 5. The plus 5 stays where it's at, and then it's equal to 3x minus 2. So what you want to do is subtract 3x from both sides. So you subtract 3x from this side, you subtract 3x from this side. So what you're going to be left with is 2x minus 3x plus 5 is equal to, the 3x minus 3x here is gone, minus 2. So now let me scroll the screen up for a little bit. So what else you left with? So this is the equation that we're solving for now. So what's 3x minus 2x is minus x plus 5 is equal to minus 2. So now we're going to subtract 5 from both sides of the equality. So we're going to have minus x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, negative 2 minus 5. Okay, so plus 5 minus 5, that means 5 is gone. So you have negative x is equal to negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. Negative 7. Forgot to put negative side. Negative 7. So let me scroll the screen up for a little bit. So here you have negative x is equal to negative 7. In order for you to solve for this, what you have to do is, all you have to do in this case is multiply both sides by a negative 1. So you multiply this guy here by a negative 1. You multiply this guy here by a negative 1. Negative 1 times x is x. Negative 7 times negative 1 is 7. So that means x is equal to 7. And that's your answer choice. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with someone that you know this might help. Again, this is your host, Romel, with the Jack's Tutor. Thank you very much. All right. Bye-bye.